Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fireplace remote is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your fireplace, ensuring effortless control over your cozy ambience and warmth. Finding the right replacement can be tricky with so many options available, each with varying features, compatibility, and reliability. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect fireplace remote replacement, covering key factors to consider and helping you avoid common pitfalls. Number 5. Durablow TR1003 Fireplace Remote. Take control of your gas fireplace with ease using this wireless remote kit. It offers convenient temperature adjustments and a timer function for ultimate comfort. This remote lets you precisely set your desired temperature between 45 degrees Fahrenheit and 99 degrees Fahrenheit. It automatically turns your fireplace on and off based on your chosen temperature settings. Program it to turn on or off automatically. Set a timer anywhere from 15 minutes to 9 hours, giving you complete control over your fireplace's operation. The receiver features an easy-to-use learn function and is compatible with millivolt valves. Please check compatibility with your fireplace model before purchasing. It includes a child-proof safety lock, and it's FCC approved. Remember, it's crucial to have a qualified professional install this unit to ensure safety. The kit comes with a transmitter, receiver, wall plate, screws, wires, and instructions for a straightforward installation. Batteries are not included, though. This device is not a power supply or igniter. It passes voltage from your fireplace's thermopile. Always consult a qualified professional for installation. What we like. It has a user-friendly LCD screen, a programmable timer for flexible scheduling, and a thermostat for precise temperature control. If you need precise temperature control and scheduling options for your fireplace, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who value convenience and energy efficiency. What people say. Connecting it to my millivolt fireplace and installing the Smart Life app were straightforward, although I did have to watch a YouTube video first because the instructions were not quite clear enough. At this point I was able to successfully turn the fireplace on and off and fully control the automatic temperature range from my trusty iPhone. All leads coming from the controller are clearly labeled where they go and give very clear instructions on how to connect. The controller also comes with a temperature sensor, and I simply ran the wire on the outside of the fireplace and mounted to the side trim. Wire is hidden by the trim and the sensor is small enough that it is not noticeable. Number 4. Durablow TR1001 Remote Kit. Take control of your gas fireplace with ease using this wireless remote kit. It's simple to install and operate, providing convenient on-off control. This small, battery-powered transmitter sends a signal to the receiver, allowing you to turn your fireplace on or off from up to 20 feet away. It's FCC approved for reliable performance. The receiver features a learn function for easy pairing and connects directly to your millivolt valve, spark ignition module, or wall switch. Keep it away from excessive heat. It's compatible with a wide range of gas fireplace models, including many Sky and Durablow models. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with yours. The kit includes everything you need for installation: transmitter, receiver, wall plate, screws, wires, and instructions. You will need to purchase batteries separately. Remember, this is a switch, not a power supply. And please use high-quality batteries to avoid corrosion. What we like. This one offers a straightforward on-off function, wireless convenience, and hassle-free installation. If you are looking for a simple and easy-to-use solution to control your fireplace wirelessly, this is for you. Its ease of use makes it perfect for those who prioritize simplicity. What people say. Connecting it to my millivolt fireplace and installing the Smart Life app were straightforward, although I did have to watch a YouTube video first because the instructions were not quite clear enough. At this point I was able to successfully turn the fireplace on and off and fully control the automatic temperature range from my trusty iPhone. All leads coming from the controller are clearly labeled where they go and give very clear instructions on how to connect. The controller also comes with a temperature sensor, and I simply ran the wire on the outside of the fireplace and mounted to the side trim. Wire is hidden by the trim and the sensor is small enough that it is not noticeable. Number 3. Skytech 1001 Remote. This is the Skytech 1001A, your new favorite remote control. It's designed for ease of use and reliable performance. Experience seamless control of your entertainment system. It fits comfortably in your hand and has intuitive button placement. Enjoy reliable control from a distance. It boasts an extended range, so you can operate your devices from anywhere in the room. It's built to last. The durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use. Getting started is a breeze. It's easy to program and connect to your devices. It's not just functional, it's stylish too. Its sleek design complements any home theater setup. What we like. NA. What people say. Like-for-like replacement for a 12-year-old unit. Easy to install and works like a champ. Easily replaced our real Fire remote that quit working and could not be reprogrammed. It was literally just so easy. Replaced the OEM unit. Have an older one that was original, this replaced it and plugged in and worked perfectly. Easy to install. Number 2. Skytech Sky 3301 Fireplace Remote. Experience ultimate control over your fireplace with the innovative Skytech Sky 3301 remote. It's the perfect blend of convenience and modern technology for your home. Easily adjust the flames to your desired level with a simple touch. Enjoy the warmth and ambience of your fireplace, completely customized to your preference. Set it and forget it. This remote features a programmable timer, allowing you to schedule your fireplace to turn on and off automatically. Maintain your ideal room temperature with the built-in thermostat. It ensures consistent comfort and energy efficiency. Its user-friendly design makes operation a breeze. Anyone can use it, regardless of their technical expertise. Transform the way you enjoy your fireplace. It offers unparalleled control and convenience, enhancing your home's ambience. What we like. NA. What people say. Setup was pretty easy. Super easy install. It works perfectly. If you have a hard time reading the wiring diagram, there are YouTube videos showing exactly what to do for the model you buy. Easy to install and works great. Number 1. Skytech Smart Stat 4. Take control of your fireplace with ease using this innovative remote. It's battery-powered for wireless convenience and features a crystal-clear LCD screen. See the time, room temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and a flame icon to show if it's on at a glance. A low battery indicator will alert you when needed. With just 5 buttons, you can easily adjust the temperature, set timers, and switch between modes. It's intuitive and user-friendly. Set it and forget it. Use the timer to control how long your fireplace runs, for up to 9 hours. It automatically turns your fireplace on or off to maintain your desired room temperature. Enjoy consistent comfort. The receiver can be plugged in and learns up to 2 additional Skytech remotes. It also offers manual on-off remote control options. This package comes complete with the remote, receiver, wall clip, wires, batteries, and instructions. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. It boasts a convenient design, an easy-to-read LCD screen, and features both timer and thermostat functionalities. If you appreciate a user-friendly interface and the combined benefits of timer and thermostat control, this remote is worth considering. It's perfect for those who want simple operation with added features. What people say. The buttons on the old remote were always very difficult to push and I was concerned that the new one would be the same, but they weren't. This new remote had the same features, on-off thermo, and the buttons were easy to push with a crisp response. The receiver had the same wires as the old one 120V plug and 2 red wires, same as the previous model, so it was an exact swap out. It didn't require any code setting or programming either, so it was up and running within a few minutes. This one cost me less than the other 2 combined and it works as well as the original on my 24-year-old heat and glow stove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.